2017 Toyota Corolla Sports front brake replacement. I'm sure it's the same procedure for other Toyota Corolla, so let's do this. Let's start by compressing the caliper using a screwdriver like this. Let's go. Start by removing our caliper bracket bolt. It is a caliper bolt that's a 40mm, one on top, one at the bottom. There it is. You can use the regular hand tools to do this. There it is. There it is. Make sure you save your old parts because there is the possibility when you buy the brake and the pads, they won't come with those hardware here. Make sure you save them, okay? So let's take our brake pad out and inspect your caliper pins. And the keys for this they're frozen, they don't move. So let's remove our caliper bracket. It is a 70mm. Let's do this. There are times that those rotors are seized. On the case for that one, that one is not seized at all, it's loose. Use a hammer like this and you tap it on both sides. Avoid hitting the lug nut, sorry, just those on that side, okay? Take the old one out. Here's our hub, and we're gonna clean the hub a little bit. That one's not too bad, but we're gonna clean it anyway. Alright, so we use a wire brush like this to clean the hub and take the rust off. That one's not too bad. Once again, I'll just demonstrate right now. So we're going to clean up the brake caliper bracket. It doesn't come with new hardware, so we're gonna have to reuse them. Okay, we're gonna use a small wire brush like this to clean in there on both sides. Okay, let's do it. And we're gonna reuse the same part of the hardware. So we're gonna reuse those to put in the new brake pad. Okay, and we're going to regrease our caliper pen and clean it up. Let's do it. The grease probably dry up. Yeah, there it is. It's coming out. Here are the pens. I just cleaned the grease off with a rag like this, right? And we're going to re-grease them. Here are the pens. Put some grease on them, and we're going to slide it in. Here is our new pad and holders. So we're going to put them on right now. Order. Let's put our caliper bracket in. Good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this old hardware from the old brake pad here. We're gonna use a screwdriver like this to disengage the pen and pop it off. Do something like this. Alright, we'll remove it. There it is. The same thing on the brake pad. We're going to slide it now. You see this? You go that way. Make sure this little prong here sit right there. Okay. Same thing here. There it is. So we're going to start our brake pad in. We put the bottom part in first. Put the bottom part in first and you push the top part in. There it is. Do the same thing at the back. Here it is. Our new brake pad is in. Just pay attention to the orientation. Same thing in the back. Now let's put our caliper in. Alright, let's put our caliper bolt in. Voila, it's all done, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.